Of course, before I start this course, this learning adventure, I want to mention a few words about the images that we have in this course, the images we will be working. At first, we will be working with images of Ariel Grabowski, and in this course, you can also find his images. You can download them, high quality raw images, to practice the work. So thank you to him for the images. Remember to check out his portfolio right now. The website somehow doesn't work for me. Maybe I just opened too many websites. But few words about Ariel. He's really great photographer. To me, one of the best if it's about the outdoor portrait photography. So remember to have a look at his work. The other person that will be working with the other photography of other person, Zuzia Zawada, my partner in crime, I would say. My favorite, of course. We often work together on our work. Great fashion photographer. I love her work. I love to work for her. So remember to check her portfolio as well, and just appreciate her amazing work. And you can have the look at the images. We'll be working with this fantastic street fashion set, something different, and also Bastek Chernek images, two images I choose from one collaboration with him. So also thank you to him for the images. They are amazing. They have really standing out colors. So huge thank you to him. And also check out Bastek portfolio. You can find all of the information in this lesson, just the hit link. If I can add link, I'm not sure. If not, just Google. The names will be for sure in this class, so you can check his work. You can check all of them work. And right now, let's jump to the proper part of the course.